Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to sign up for Seller Central. Let's get into it. If you're facing error code 8572 on Amazon, it means your UPC is not matching the ASIN you're trying to list. This issue is usually caused by UPC misuse, and today we'll walk you through how to resolve it and get your listing approved. Error code 8572 occurs when Amazon detects a mismatch between your UPC and the product you are trying to list. This often happens when another seller has already used the same UPC for a different product. Since Amazon requires all UPCs to be unique and correctly assigned, a duplicated or misused UPC will prevent you from listing your item. To fix this issue, you first need to verify that your UPC is from GS1. Amazon cross-checks UPCs with GS1's official database, so if you purchased a UPC from a third-party reseller instead of directly from GS1, it might already be assigned to a different product. To avoid this issue, always purchase UPCs directly from GS1. If you are using a GS1 UPC and still face this problem, you need to provide Amazon with proof that you own the code. The first step is to log into GS1's website and download your GS1 certificate, which verifies that the UPC is officially registered to your company. Then, take a clear picture of your product showing the UPC printed on its packaging. If possible, also include your brand name in the image to strengthen your case. Once you have these documents, go to Amazon Seller Central and open a support case. Explain that you are the rightful owner of the UPC, but it is being misused by another ASIN. Attach your GS1 certificate, product images, and a screenshot of the incorrect listing using your UPC. If you can find the ASIN that is incorrectly using your UPC, include it in your case to show Amazon the violation. Amazon's seller support team will review your case, and if they confirm that you own the UPC, they will either remove the incorrect ASIN or allow you to list your product correctly. This process may take a few days, so be sure to follow up if you don't receive a response. If your request is initially rejected, reopen the case and provide additional clarification. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure all your UPCs are purchased directly from GS1 and register your brand with Amazon's brand registry. This will help protect your listings and prevent unauthorized sellers from using your UPCs. Following these steps should resolve error code 8572 and allow you to list your product without issues. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.